What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back here to bring you guys your money motivation for this week. Now, as you can see by the title of this video, today marks 3 years of being on YouTube. And that is actually why I want to make this money motivation about starting now. So added to that, funny enough, exactly 2 years ago, I started my smartwatch company, Time Gear Watches. So yeah, March is an interesting one for me. But again, we're going to dive into the topic of today's money motivation. You guys are going to understand why I'm telling you guys to start now, exactly what you can do, hopefully to benefit you going forward. And of course, the most important thing we do is actually take action this week. So we're going to get into all that in just a second. But first thing we need to do, guys, drop that thumbs up. Please do hit the like button. It does help with the YouTube algorithm. I know you guys don't think it does, but it does help. So make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. Also, make sure to comment, share, and hit the red button if you're new around here. Subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the journey. So, today is March the 1st. Today is Monday. It's a new week, it's a new day, it's a new month. And I'm here to motivate you guys just like every single Monday. Now, today's topic, today's money motivation, start now. Now, the reason I'm saying that is pretty clear. 3 years ago, March 1st, 2018, I began my YouTube channel. And I think it took me about 2 or 3 days before I even uploaded the video, but I remember the beginning very well. So, 3 years have passed now since then, and I feel like time flies. I've had my ups and downs. I started off recording videos, getting my phone and just speaking into the voice notes app, and then uploading a PowerPoint presentation, putting the sound on it, and just uploading it to YouTube. To now where I'm comfortable in front of the camera, where I'm a lot happier to be in front of the camera, find it a lot easier to be in front of the camera and speak to the people and know what I'm doing. Added to that, I now have a bit more editing skills, better lighting, better audio, better visuals, all of that. So what I want to point out here, the very first couple of days that I started, I was on YouTube, I was like, yeah, I don't want people in front of the camera. I don't want people to see me. If I make mistakes, speaking in the voice notes app, it's okay. They won't see my face. So what I want to highlight here is I uploaded a video eventually. I think it was March 3rd or March 5th, if I remember correctly. And I uploaded another one a week later. Now, that took a lot out of me to actually upload those 2 videos. And it was good that I started. Things didn't really go well. I didn't really get any views. No surprise. It was a small channel. I didn't understand it. But I started and eventually I stopped for a little bit. I didn't upload for a while. Now I want to fast forward because I don't want to drag the story out. 2019, the whole of 2019, a year later, I really started to upload consistently. Pretty much every day of 2019 I uploaded a video. And 2020, this continued all the way through to December. Now we're at 2021, and 3 years have passed since I've started my YouTube journey. I've been on this journey 3 years. Yeah, I know I don't have the fanciest, video editing, audio, lighting. I don't have the fanciest all of that. But my point here is, for those of you who are smaller channels, or those of you who are hesitating before starting a YouTube channel, start now. Before you know it, time flies. I could never imagine myself being in this position 3 years ago, even 2 years ago, in fact, even a year ago, right when COVID started. And I made progress, and I'm here now. Now, am I the finished article? No. Have I made as much growth as others? Maybe not. Have I made more growth than I ever thought of? 100%. Am I better off now than I was 3 years ago? 100%. Am I happy that I continued the journey? 1000%. So my aim here is to push you guys to start now. And you guys might relate this to YouTube, but it's not only YouTube. I don't care what it is for you guys. If that's starting to go to the gym, if gyms are open, of course. If that's starting your own company, your personal brand, your YouTube channel, I don't know what it might be for you. If it's running outside, going on a jog, losing weight, becoming a bit stronger, gaining muscle, I don't know what it might be. Start now. I'm telling you guys, it feels like it was yesterday when I started my YouTube channel. I remember walking around, knowing what I was talking about, speaking into the voice notes app. And I was just scared that, people wouldn't like it. I don't know why. You guys have seen my videos. You guys know about my channel. I know what I'm talking about. I know how to relay the information. Again, I might not have the best, visuals and edits, but I know my information. I know my stuff. And 3 years ago, I knew my stuff. But because of outside opinions, because of, the internet, I thought, I'm not sure if I want to do this. Now I look back and I'm happy I started. So again, I want to point out to you guys, if you're thinking about starting anything, whatever it may be, honestly, just start now. Start today. Today's Monday. What a better time to start than a new week. Today's a new day. Start now anyway. Today's a new month. Start now anyway. You have no reason not to start. And it could be literally anything. I don't know what it could be for you guys. If you wanted to apply for medical school and you've been hesitating, people, don't hesitate. Before you know it, time flies and you would have missed your opportunity, or you would have seen, I could have done that. I could have started back then. Now I want to touch on my smartwatch company, Time Gear Watches. We launched March 1st, Friday, March 1st, 2019. I also remember that like it was yesterday. Now we're here 2 years later, and I've made great progress. I'm not as far as I would have liked to be, but I'm still way further than I could have ever imagined. And that comes down to application, just starting. Now the reason I want to talk about Time Gear briefly is because I remember the last days of February leading up to March 1st. And I was working on my website, I was working on advertising, I was working on a few different things, and I'm like, I can't launch this anytime soon. I'm not sure when I'm going to launch it. Maybe, I need to get the Instagram page set up, the Twitter page set up. It's not really 100% there yet. I don't have all the models and watches I want yet. I'm not sure. Then one night, it was either a Monday or Tuesday night, I said, you know what? Let's drop it this Friday, March 1st. Let's just do it. Let's go for it. And I decided, you know what? Let's make it happen. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I just worked as hard as I could on the website, on setting up the Instagram page, the Twitter page. I think in Maryland, it was even snowing that day, or one of those days leading up to it, so I had more free time, and I was like, yeah, just go for it. Now, when I launched Friday, March 1st, it wasn't the best, but I just posted it on my social media. Before I knew it, loads of people were posting it, reposting it. People were fluctuating to the website. And eventually on that day, in the evening, I got my very first sale. I might be able to pull up these screenshots for you guys, so hopefully you guys can see them on screen. But I remember thinking, oh, I'm so happy that I started. I'm so happy that I did this. I think it was like 90 or 100 people, it might have even been more, who visited my website that day, the day that we launched. And I never could have imagined that. My first month did about 500 or 600 in sales. And for someone just starting out, that's amazing. There are people all over the world who want to start their own business, but they never do. And they never get any sales. So me getting $500 worth of sales in my very first month, that was definitely an accomplishment. Again, there are so many people out there, maybe some of you who are even watching this video, you want to start something, maybe your own business, maybe your own personal brand. You want to make money from something, you want to monetize something, but you're a bit scared, you're a bit worried, you're a bit hesitant, waiting for the situation to be the perfect situation, you're waiting for the exact right time. Let me tell you, it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen that way. You've got to make it happen. And me, I'm someone who likes to start something on a new day or a new week, or a new month or even a new year. I'm one of those people. So when it came to March 1st, 2018, I started my YouTube channel. When it came to March 1st, 2019, I launched my smartwatch company. This year, March 2021, I'm telling you guys, go and launch something. Start something today. Again, you don't have to be launching your own smartwatch company or a personal brand or an Instagram page. You don't have to be doing that. But if it is changing your diet, if you have been wanting to go vegan, why not start now? When is the better time to start than now? Before you know it, time's going to pass. I remember doing things in 2013, starting something new when it came to selling t-shirts and selling stuff on eBay, and I just tried it out. Some stuff worked, some stuff didn't work. Now I can look back and see, oh, I know exactly what I did wrong back those times. If I never started, I still wouldn't know today. That's what I'm saying, start now. These videos are created to motivate you guys, to get you up and ready for a week, to get you excited to do something new. And if this can help you guys in any way, and I hope it can, then please go and start something. Show me that you can actually do something. Apply yourself. Again, there's millions of different things. You're all different people out there. Some of you guys out there might be trying to get into professional sports. Some of you guys out there might be wanting to record and sing. I don't know who you are, I don't know what you do, but don't be afraid to start now. There's so much out there for us to discover, and you're never going to learn, you're never going to make progress, gain experiences without starting. You can do all the planning in the world. I remember for my YouTube channel, I had this little orange notebook. I wrote down all my ideas. I thought about what I was going to say. I planned what videos I was going to talk about, but I didn't make the videos. Eventually, when I picked up my iPhone and spoke on the voice notes app, that's when it started to work. When I went on the laptop and started fixing something together and eventually released it, uploaded it, even though it was just a couple family members liking the video, at least I'd uploaded it. They gave me feedback, I learned from it. The same will happen with you. Whether that's your weight loss journey, whether that's you trying to sing, dance, whether that's you in sports, whether that's you in school, studying, trying to learn something new, trying to teach others, trying to show others what you've accomplished, trying to help people. It is not too late to start. And the best time to start is now. People, we have more time on our hands. Lockdown is still in full effect. Travel restrictions are still about. We have more free time on our hands. Whether that's today in the evening after work, or whether that's before work, at the weekend. I don't know when it could be for you. Don't be afraid to start. Start now. Most of you guys out there know this channel is created for highly driven people with big goals, big dreams, huge aspirations. So no matter what you want to do, please people, take this advice and go and start now. I know there's some of you guys out there who want to get invested in the stock market, who want to start investing in stocks. Don't be afraid. Start learning and start taking the first steps to, maybe paper trading, doing a bit more research, watching stocks, and eventually investing in your first stock. Don't be afraid, people. You've seen what I've been able to accomplish. Yeah, my channel is not the best, but I've still gone from 1 or 2 subscribers on March 1st, 2018 to over 1,860 subscribers now on March 1st, 2021. There are other people out there who are watching this, and I know there are people who are watching this who've gone from 1 subscriber to 10k subscribers to 15k subscribers within a year period. And that is exactly what can happen when you apply yourself and you just start. So that's your money motivation for today. That's your money motivation for this week. That's your money motivation for March. Start something new. Do something that you can look back on and say, I'm glad I did that. I learned from it. Even though it didn't make me a load of money, like I've never made a single cent on YouTube, I may have made great connections, met new people, learned a lot more about myself, been able to help more people, created other, amazing experiences for myself. And the same can happen for you guys. So again, start now. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's money motivation. I hope you guys go out there and have a great week. Apart from that, make sure you guys check out all those links in the description. We've got plenty going on there. We've got my smartwatch company, which is now officially 2 years old. We also have my socials there. We have a free guide to online business. And the first thing in the description is a free Discord for all you guys to join. We talk stocks there, so if you're trying to get started in the stock market and start learning about stocks, feel free to jump in there and come and talk with us. So thanks a lot for watching today's video. That's it from me. Go out there and have a great week. I got into making. You've got new things to be starting. See you guys next time for another video. Peace.
Game over.